Hello, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be testing a Dollarama headphone adapter. This one is USB-C, the audio. So this will be for that new iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 15, everything going down. But not for the 14, because for the 14, you can still use good old lightning adapter. And this one from Walmart is a good quality. The one from Dollarama seized up my phone. So let's see if this one will seize up my phone as well. Okay, so that's it. That's what it looks like. Your headphone jack and your USB-C. So you just plug this in like so. Phone complaining about the device. So now we're going to go to Apple Music. It's going to whine about a bunch of stuff. No, I don't want that for 3 months. So let's see if this really works. I'm dropping my stuff for my next video. Those were Dollarama headphones. Okay, let's see my good headphones. No, I don't want voice control. Why did you activate? You know what? It works so far. Out of the box, it's not bad. For $3 at Dollarama, you know what? You get headphones, you can connect all your old headphones, auxiliary inputs. You'll be fine with all that. Okay, thank you so much. You have a good night and have a happy new year.